Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how to do the soap bubble experiment with different straws. So the materials you're going to need: soap of some sort, I have Ajax, a spray bottle with just plain water in it, a cup full of water, safety glasses of some kind, different straws. You can see I have a large diameter plastic flexible one, a harder plastic reusable straw, a metal straw, and then the classic bendy straw. I also have a pen and paper so I can record my results, and some rulers so I can measure the bubbles after they pop. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my safety glasses and put them on. Okay, then in my cup of water, I'm just going to add some soap. You can do however much you feel. And then just choose one of your straws and kind of mix it in. Okay, next thing you're going to do is take your spray bottle and spray your work area. This allows the bubbles to have a better sticking surface. And it doesn't have to be soaking wet, just make sure it's nice and damp. Please don't do this somewhere where you're going to ruin the table. Find a nice durable table. The next thing you're going to do is pick your first straw. So I want to start with the bendy straw. So on my paper I'm going to write bendy straw. And I'm going to do 3 different bubbles. So I'll put 3 spaces. I'm going to show you guys that. Let it focus. There it is. You can see I wrote bendy straw. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do a test bubble first. So to make your bubbles, all you do is take the straw, mix it in your cup of water and soap, and let's do a test bubble. Remember to breathe slowly. Okay, that wasn't too bad. So now let's do one for real. That was pretty good. So now I'm going to take my ruler, and using the inches measurement, I'm going to go from the top of the bubble to the bottom and measure, and that one was 4.5 inches. Oops. So I'm going to write that down. And then I'm just going to do it 2 more times. Okay, that was pretty good. That one was 4 inches. Again, writing that down so I don't forget. And then one last time. That one was a little bit smaller. Only 3 inches. Okay, so that was the bendy straw. Next, I'm going to use my metal straw. And again, I'm going to do 3 trials, but first let's do a practice bubble. Yeah, that one was pretty good, so let's do a real one. Let's try that again. Okay, there we go. Again, I'm going to measure it in inches. That one was 3 inches. Take my metal straw, dip it again. If you guys get a really small bubble, feel free to try again. Sometimes it takes a couple tries. That was a giant bubble. That one was 6.5 inches. And we're going to do our last one with this metal straw. Let's try that one more time. Okay, that one was right at 5 inches. So next I'm going to use my reusable plastic straw. So I'm going to just put pink plastic or pink straw so I remember. And again, I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 trials. Don't forget to write all this down. You're going to need it for your lab write-up. Okay, that one was 5 inches. That one was a little bit smaller at 3 inches. And guys, just get the closest measurements you can from one side of the bubble to the other. Dang, that one was huge. That one was 7.5 inches. And you guys have probably noticed by now, I'm breathing slowly so I don't pop the bubble. And the next one I'm going to do is the larger straw. It's the last one we have. And we're going to do 3 trials again. So here we go. Okay. That was 3.5 inches. Let's try that again. Okay. That one was 6 inches. Let's try that one more time. Come on. Not wanting to work with me. Let's try it over here. Okay. And that was 7 inches. So now I have my completed data. Okay. 3 different measurements for each one, 3 tries. What I'm going to do next is clean up my area, drying it off, putting everything away, rinsing the cup, all of that nice